guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lakwatsirong Butiki. Mula doon sa makasaysayang simbahan ng Candaba, Pampanga, ang San Andres Apostol Parish Church o mas tanyag sa tawag na Candaba Church. Nakatawid na ang Butiki ngayon dito sa makasaysayan na lugar dito sa Quezon City, ang Tandang Sora National Shrine. Samahan niyo ko dito, guys! The Tandang Sora National Shrine is a national monument and memorial park in Quezon City. It is dedicated to Filipino revolutionary and centenarian Melchora Aquino, who is also known as Tandang Sora. Melchora Aquino, popularly known as Tandang Sora, is a key figure in the Philippine Revolution who offered shelter and medical aid to Katipunan revolutionaries despite her old age. She was known by the titles of Mother of the Katipunan and the Grand Woman of the Revolution for her role in the Revolution. The place where the memorial is situated along in present-day Banlat Road in a barangay in Quezon City, named in honor of her, is her birthplace. After her death, her remains were initially buried at the Mausoleum of the Veterans of the Revolution at the Manila North Cemetery before being transferred to the Himlayang Pilipino. In 2012, her remains were transferred to the Tandang Sora Shrine. The Tandang Sora Shrine was restored by the Quezon City government in 2005 as a tribute to Melchora Aquino, and the shrine was built in 2008 during the tenure of then Quezon City Mayor Feliciano Belmonte Jr. Prior to the shrine's construction, a marker is already present near the site of the shrine, although it is generally hidden from the view from the public by houses. The Quezon City Council declared 2012 as Tandang Sora Year, a year-long celebration to mark the 200th birth anniversary of Melchora Aquino. In line of the commemoration, there were efforts by the city government to have Aquino's remains, which were then located at the nearby Himlayang Pilipino, exhumed and re-entered in the shrine. Such moves required approval from the Congress, and their bid was helped by the approval of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines of the plan in 2011. The Himlayang Pilipino also gave consent for the exhumation of Aquino's remains. Melchora Aquino's remains were then re-entered at the Tandang Sora Shrine on January 6, 2012, on her birthday. The re-interment ceremony was led by Novaliches Bishop Antonio Tobias, who blessed Aquino's casket. The memorial was later declared a national shrine on March 2, 2012, by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines through a resolution. The shrine is situated along Banlat Road in Barangay Tandangsura, Quezon City. It covers an area of 11,000 square feet and features a 35.0 feet bronze sculpture. The remains of Melchora Aquino, which consist of 3 small bones and ash at the time of her reinterment in the shrine, is housed inside a small wooden casket, which in turn is placed inside a square space at the foot of the bronze sculpture, designed by Toim Imau. An art gallery is also hosted within shrine grounds, which features paintings and other sculptures dedicated to Tandangsura, made by local artists from Quezon City. It also has a pavilion and stage for events, and a mini museum dedicated to Melchora Aquino. Mula naman dito sa Tandangsura National Shrine, dito sa Quezon City, tatawid muna ang butiki papuntang Antipolo City. Isang makasaysayang tanawin rin ang papasyalan ko doon, ang Hinulugang Taktak. Abangan nyo ko doon, guys! Bye-bye!